Being able to conquer the ideal woman is every man's dream, but few succeed. Some believe that the key to winning over a woman is having a fat wallet, and this mindset can make them overlook some simple things that can drive a woman crazy about them. I have a friend who is very popular with women, and what sets him apart is not his financial situation but his smooth talk. He knows how to make a woman feel desired, and that's what most women want. In this video, we'll discuss 4 simple things that any man can do during a date to drive a woman crazy about him. Eye contact. Many men overlook the importance of intense eye contact. Looking around while talking indicates nervousness, and avoiding eye contact suggests lying or disinterest. When a woman speaks, look into her eyes, and maintain eye contact when you speak too. Don't act like you're in a hurry, looking at the ceiling or your phone. This will only make the woman feel insecure, and the night won't end well. Emotion control. One way to win over a woman is to know how to control your impulses. Don't show that you're overly interested in her. Be mysterious about your feelings. Jumping into a woman's arms will only make you seem desperate for attention, and even the most romantic women will be frightened by such behavior. Don't keep calling or texting her as if you have nothing else to do in life, or she'll think you're an obsessive man and run away. Learn to control your emotions, even if this woman is the girl of your dreams. Compliments. Every woman loves compliments. Women feel a great need for validation. If you acknowledge the effort she put into looking beautiful, she will be flattered. Make a sincere compliment about her hair, which she worked hard to arrange, or the makeup that she spent hours doing to look natural. Be observant and make her feel that her effort to look beautiful was worth it. This will make her feel confident, and remember that every woman likes to feel desired. Show your uniqueness. Remember that you're not the only man on earth. If the woman is super hot, it's likely that other men are also vying for her attention. It doesn't mean that she will be with the guy who has more money. Show your uniqueness. If you're not rich, at least you can pay your bills without anyone's help. If you're not the most handsome, you can have a good conversation. If you're shy and don't have a good conversation, improve your appearance. Any man can have a uniqueness that catches women's attention. Demonstrate confidence in who you are, and don't put yourself down for financial or aesthetic reasons. By following these simple tips, any man can win over a woman. Remember to be confident and sincere, and always make her feel desired. With a little effort and a lot of charm, you'll be able to drive any woman crazy about you. By following these simple tips, any man can win over a woman. Remember to be confident and sincere, and always make her feel desired. With a little effort and a lot of charm, you'll be able to drive any woman crazy about you.